Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a tail light or brake light bulb on this 2010 Dodge Caliber. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So we just need to come back here to the trunk. So what we need to do is remove the tail light here. So you're going to pop out these clips right here. To get these out, you're gonna stick a pry tool in here and just wiggle it and try to pop this center portion out, and then that pulls out just like that. So you're going to do that for this one and this one. Now to remove this, you're just gonna pull here, oh, and just it pops out. Good idea to use two hands so you don't drop it. But basically it just plugs into these slots right here. So now, in order to change any of these bulbs here, you're just going to twist the socket and pull it out, and you'll be able to replace that bulb, which is your reverse light bulb. Same goes for removing this top bulb here, which is your brake light and your blinker right here. To get this bulb out, you just pull it right out of the socket. So you're just going to pull it like that, and then you can replace this bulb. I will have bulbs linked down in the description below where you can get those online. Just push them in to reinstall like that, and then put it back into the taillight and twist it. And then to reinstall the taillight, you're going to want to make sure that this side is on the outside of this rib right here, and then just line it up. Give it a little push like that. Then you can just reinstall your clips here, push them in, and then push the center in like that. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.